Google Tag Manager is a powerful and free tool that allows you to manage all your website tags in one place without touching the code. To use GTM, you must first set up a Google Tag Manager account and container. And in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step. The first step is to go to tagmanager.google.com and click on sign up. Here you'll be prompted to create an account, or you can also use an existing Google account to log into GTM. After completing the account setup, you will be taken to the GTM dashboard. Here you will need to create a new container for your website. To do this, click the Create Account button and fill in the required information. You will need to provide a name for your container and select your website's target platform, either web, AMP, or iOS Android app. The next step is to add the GTM code to your website. You can do this by copying the code snippets provided by GTM and adding them to your website's header and body sections. It's important to place the code in the correct spot for GTM to function correctly. For example, the header code should be placed in the head section of your website, while the body code should be placed in the body section of your website. So let me show you how to do this on a Shopify website. First, we need to go to our sales channel of Shopify backend. And here you can see this themes section. Here you'll see these three dots. If you click on it, you will see this option called edit code. And so once we click on it, we can see all the files, layouts, and templates on the left side here. And we just need to look for this section called theme.liquid. Within here, you can see the head section as well as the body section down here. So just place the head code in the head section of the website and the body code here in the body section of your website. But one more thing to remember here, if you want to track conversions, you would need to add these codes to the order status page as well. So let's do this now. Go back to Shopify admin and now go to settings located at the bottom left, select checkout, navigate to the order status page, and in this additional script section, paste both the header and the body code directly into this section. Alright, so it's done. So once you have added the GTM code, you can start tracking tags and analyzing data on your website. With GTM, you can track a wide range of information such as page views, form submissions, and button clicks. You can also use GTM to track tags from other tools such as Google Analytics, Google Ads, Facebook, and more. And now let's understand tags and how to add them in Google Tag Manager.